At nakarating na ako sa Savoy Hotel Manila dito sa may Pasay City para mag-cover na naman ng isang event, isang Victory Press Conference. So nandito ako sa Savoy Hotel Manila sa may Pasay para sa press conference ni Reina Hispano-Americana 2025 winner Dia Mate. Nandito na ako sa loob ng Savoy Hotel sa second floor daw. Tara at samahan niyo ako sa isa na namang pageant coverage. Dito nga gaganapin ang Victory Press Conference ni Dia Mate na nanalong Reina Hispano-Americana 2025 sa bansang Bolivia. At ito na nga, narating ko na ang mismong place kung saan gaganapin ang Victory Press Conference ni Dia Mate. At nasa loob na nga ang ibang mga pageant media na magko-cover ng Victory Press Conference na ito. Hi, Sir Jerry. Mag-start ang press con around 1:30 PM daw.
A few moments later.
Dumating na nga si Reina Hispano-Americana 2025 winner, Dia Mate. Pinauna muna ng organization na ipa-interview si Dia Mate sa mga malalaking TV networks.
I've been with Dia for more than a year already, I think. I was her trainer nung first pageant, your first competition.
So to everyone here, thank you so much for coming here to support me for this Victory Press Con. So to everyone watching, to all of my supporters, my core team, my family, ALV Pageant Circle, Aces and Queens, the creatives, and everyone involved in my journey, Radical Music as well. I just want to say thank you from the bottom of my heart. I truly wouldn't be here without each member and supporter of my team behind me. I am the woman today because of all of you. And my success is not just mine, but it's all of our success. And it's the success of the Filipino people. So thank you so much. Thank you for making me a queen. And I hope to be the best queen I can be this year for you.
Thank you so much. Kaya palakpakan naman natin siya, our Reina.
Pagkatapos ng mga interview kay Dia Mate ay nagkaroon na ng photo op kasama ng kanyang mga fellow queens at ng ALV Pageant Circle. So tapos na yung press conference ni Reina Hispano-Americana 2025 Dia Mate dito sa Savoy Hotel Manila.